Today we will looking at a recent project with one of our valued clients. Our team communicated effectively with our client to ensure we had every detail covered. Future-proofing, delivery timescales, usability and many other key factors were considered prior to issuing drawings. Once drawings had been issued and reviewed, our scheduling team got to work planning each manufacturing process to ensure rapid delivery timescales. Communicating this regularly to our client is one of the many reasons why we are the chosen fabricators. With the material choice made, inspections were carried out on each item on our materials list to ensure that there are no flaws which could result in an inferior end product. Once the tanks were ready for shipping, each one was given its final factory checks and loaded for transport. With everything in place already on site, these will be installed and in use before the week is out. We appreciate your interest in Xeroko and would greatly appreciate the opportunity to work with you on your next project.